be talking hype, lighting up the sky like with dynamite, circling your mind like a satellite. Yeah, like a satellite. 1, 2, 3 to the bit, to the bomb.
Have you ever seen a driving shot that was so smooth you could have sworn it was shot on a Hollywood rig, only to find out that it was shot on an action cam or a 360-degree camera? The answer to that problem is this: it's a ridiculously strong suction cup mount. And in this video, I'll show you how to get epic car shots solo with this affordable setup. Let's go. G'day friends, my name's Brett and I'm a photographer and videographer who helps beginners get cinematic results without having the cost of expensive gear. And whether you're filming B-roll or travel vlogs or car videos, this thing really changes the game. This is the Neewer 6-inch car suction cup mount and it's an absolute beast. It comes with a ball head magic arm with multiple mounting points and a crazy strong suction cup that grips onto your windshield, dash, or even the exterior of your car, pretty much anywhere that is shiny. I've used this with the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, which you can see here, the X5 as well, and even a compact mirrorless camera, and it didn't even budge. It'll hold up to 5 kilos in weight. And the bonus about using this on a 360 camera, like an X5, is that you don't even have to worry about getting your framing right. You just chuck it on the mount and you can fix it in post later on. Always test your mount before you get going. Maybe give it a tug to make sure it doesn't move. And if you're using a DSLR or a mirrorless camera on this thing, make sure that you have the magic arm centered so you're not going to get any bounce from your camera. Now let me quickly show you how this works. You put the suction cup on the bonnet, you've got to wipe an area first so there's no dust on it. Suction cup on the hood, make sure it's not on a curved area. And then just press the hammer until it doesn't suck anymore. When you can't press it anymore, that means it's got full suction. Like that. You can see it's got a good grip on it now. The magic arm here, if you undo the magic arm, you've got a ball here and a ball here, it gives you multiple different configurations. All you have to do is tighten the middle bit and it'll lock it in place. And you've still got your camera adjustment up here when you need it. And how you release it is you just grab this tab here and just pull and it releases it. And before we get further into it, don't forget to grab my cinematic starter kit where I give you a whole bunch of tips and tricks in an ebook and a couple of Lightroom presets for you as well to make your images pop that little bit more. And the one thing I didn't realize about this camera is it's fantastic for filming inside the car too. Just suction to the window like this and you've got yourself a dash cam or a car vlog like we've got right now. Let's go for a drive. It really is so cool, you can just mount it anywhere you want. But if you are worried about your camera coming off, then what you can do is you can put a tether, get it like a GoPro tether and mount it to the camera, or you can make your own tether up, it's entirely up to you. So if you're a creator who drives a lot to work, spends a long time driving to work, you literally can put this on your window, make use of that time that you don't normally have. On this rig right now, I've got the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 action cam, but you can put an Insta360 X5 on it, a GoPro, a DJI action cam, a small mirrorless camera if you want to, pretty much anything you like, it doesn't really matter. And because the magic arm is so flexible, you can pretty much constrict this bracket into any form you want and put it in the tightest of places. And for the sake of a cheap suction cup like this, you really do get a lot of value out of it. Let's see where else we can put this thing.
All around the world they be talking hype, lighting up the sky like with dynamite, circling your mind like a satellite. Yeah, like a satellite. 1, 2, 3 to the bit, to the bomb. Hola, like boom, boom, boom. Always connected, electric. Yeah, come on. Taking off like a rocket. Ain't nobody gonna stop it. Iconic, cause it's never been done like this. Woo, yeah. Never been done like this. Never been done like this. No, yeah. No, never been done. No, never been done like this. We put the on in the
And you really can put it anywhere.
we let the beat go on and on and on and on and on and on. Taking off like a rocket. Ain't nobody gonna stop it. Iconic cause it.
So if you're just starting out and you haven't bought a camera yet and you're not sure what to do when it comes to cameras, check out this video right here. It will save you some money. See you over there.